Welcome back, everyone. If you are a legal professional looking for a highly prestigious career with the U.S. federal government, this video is for you. Today we are discussing a major job vacancy opened by the Executive Office for Immigration Review, commonly known as EOIR. They are currently hiring for the position of immigration judge. This is a powerful role where you will serve as an immigration adjudicator, making critical decisions that impact lives and national policies. Let's talk about what this job actually entails. The Executive Office for Immigration Review is part of the Department of Justice. As an immigration judge, you won't be working alone. You will be leading a dedicated team of legal professionals, which includes attorneys, legal assistants, and various other support staff. Your primary responsibility will be to conduct formal administrative proceedings and render independent judgments on immigration cases. It's a high-responsibility role that requires deep legal expertise and strong leadership skills. Now, where is this job located? There are many vacancies available right now in the state of Arizona. Specifically, they are looking for judges at the Eloy Immigration Court, the Florence Immigration Court, and the Phoenix Immigration Court. Regarding the worksite options, please note that this is not a fully remote job. However, it is telework eligible, meaning you may be allowed to work from home on certain days as determined by the agency's policy. The work schedule is quite flexible as well, offering both full-time and intermittent work options depending on the specific position type. Let's get into one of the most attractive parts of this announcement, the compensation. This position offers an excellent salary package. The pay scale is graded as IJ00, and the starting salary ranges from $159,951 all the way up to $207,500 per year. Since this is a federal position, it also comes with standard federal benefits, making it a highly secure and rewarding long-term career path. However, keep in mind that relocation expenses are not reimbursed for this position, so you will need to manage your move to Arizona if you are applying from out of state. Before you apply, let's look at the requirements. This job falls under the 0905 Attorney Occupational Series, meaning you must be a qualified attorney to be eligible. The supervisory status is no. It is in the accepted service and is not represented by a union. In terms of travel, you should be prepared to travel up to 50% or less of the time. Also, because of the sensitive nature of the work, this position is classified as high risk. Applicants must undergo a thorough suitability and fitness background check, credentialing, a drug test, and financial disclosure to identify any conflicts of interest. Finally, here is how you can apply. The job is open and currently accepting applications on the official government website, USAJOBS.gov. To find this exact listing, go to the website and search for the announcement number, IJ-128588945-26-MS, or look up the control number 8533815000. Once you find the page, review the full details and click the big Apply button to submit your resume and required legal credentials. Make sure to hurry because the deadline to apply is July 17, 2026 by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Good luck to all the applicants. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more federal job updates.